Welcome to JH. Looking for a reliable dividend ETF? Let's break down the Fidelity High Dividend ETF, ticker FDV. This fund tracks the Fidelity High Dividend Index, focusing on large U.S. companies with yields that actually look respectable on paper. It offers broad diversification and a modest 0.29% expense ratio, which is basically a small fee for the privilege of letting someone else worry about the market. You get heavy exposure to financials, energy, healthcare, and consumer staples, all backed by Fidelity's research department, because nothing says safety like a spreadsheet managed by people in suits. While FDV provides high yields and stability, it's not exactly a speed demon. It frequently lags behind growth ETFs and suffers from heavy sector concentration and a total lack of international flavor. Recently, it's slightly underperformed the broader market, proving that being steady is often just a polite way of saying you're falling behind. However, for the income-focused investor, it remains an attractive choice. FDV isn't a growth play, but it's a solid option for those who want dividends without the drama of a volatile portfolio.